Birds are among the most diverse creatures on Earth. From tiny warblers to powerful eagles, every bird survives by one basic need: food. But birds do not all eat the same way. Over millions of years, they have evolved different feeding behaviors, bill shapes, and hunting techniques, each perfectly adapted to their environment. Today, we explore how birds feed, what they eat, and why their feeding patterns change with seasons. Many birds feed mainly on seeds and grains. These birds usually have short, thick, cone-shaped beaks designed to crack hard seed shells. Sparrows, finches, buntings, and doves are classic granivores, seed-eaters. They often forage on the ground, agricultural fields, or open grasslands. Scientifically, this behavior is called ground foraging. During winter, when insects disappear, seed-eating birds become even more important to ecosystems by controlling weed growth. Insect-eating birds, known as insectivores, play a critical role in nature. They consume mosquitoes, caterpillars, beetles, and flies, many of which are harmful to crops. Some birds, like flycatchers, catch insects in midair, a technique called aerial hawking. Others, like redstarts, wagtails, and prenias, pick insects from the ground or vegetation. Fruit-eating birds, or frugivores, rely on berries, figs, and wild fruits. Bulbuls, thrushes, barbets, and hornbills are excellent examples. As they eat fruit and fly away, they disperse seeds through droppings, a process called seed dispersal. This makes birds some of nature's most effective forest regenerators. Many birds shift to fruits during autumn and winter when insects become scarce. Some birds feed on nectar, using long, curved beaks. Sunbirds are a perfect example. While feeding, pollen sticks to their feathers and beaks. As they move from flower to flower, they assist in pollination, helping plants reproduce. This mutual relationship benefits both birds and plants. Birds of prey, such as eagles, hawks, and falcons, are carnivores. They hunt using sharp eyesight, powerful talons, and hooked beaks. Scavengers, like vultures, feed on dead animals. Though often misunderstood, they prevent the spread of disease by cleaning carcasses quickly. Without scavenging birds, ecosystems would suffer serious health risks. Bird feeding behavior is not fixed. Many birds change their diet according to seasons. In summer, insects dominate. In winter, seeds, fruits, and even snow become important sources of energy and water. Migration also depends heavily on food availability, guiding birds across continents. Every feeding behavior we see today is a result of millions of years of evolution. From tiny seeds to large prey, birds maintain balance in nature. By understanding how birds feed, we understand how ecosystems survive. Protecting birds means protecting the delicate web of life we all depend on.